Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is available in two versions. One is online and the second one you have to download the setup. Then we have an installation process and after that we can work with the software. Google Earth Pro is an open access software which is freely available for the environmentalists, for the geography, geology and all the people who is caring about nature, and in the common way it is known as free pilot. You can watch the entire cities and the global terrain, the forest area and any part of the world for free which you like, with the image high quality visualization. So to download the Google Earth Pro, first we have to come to the Google by any browser. You just type Google Earth Pro download. After that we have the link here which is provided by Google Earth Pro company. Then we have to go download Google Earth. Then we have terms that we should accept it. So in this page, we have two options. One option is the Launch Earth. If I click on that, it will take me directly to the website, but in that case, you have to be connected with the internet. And the second one is See All version. We will click on the See All version. Here we have some options like it says download Earth Pro on desktop. Once if I click on that, then the setup will be downloaded in your download folder. So we have two other options also. You can install on your mobile and also you can work on online version which we have discussed about. After the download procedure, you can do the installation. It is easy like so many other softwares and applications which you install in your computer, and it is just a few easy steps you can continue. Now, after the installation, we will come back to our operational system and we will search for Google Earth Pro. Once you click on Google Earth Pro, one new page will be open. This is the first interface of Google Earth Pro. Here we have the menu bar, then we have the toolbars. From here you can change the direction into 30 between 0 to 36 degree. From here you can zoom in and then zoom out, and from here you can change the position into 4 directions. So here we have a search box. Let's search, for example, any random place. I will search London, UK. After that, press on the search. Now it will take us to some parts of London in the UK. You can search for some more specific area if you wish and if you have it. So let's continue with this part. Here we will do some measurement and we will apply the vector data. So because this is a very good identity, we have the river, then we have the roads, then we have the lakes and all. Now we can extract three type of the data. One is this one, which is a point data. So you click on that, then we will give it as a name. For example, I will say point number 1. Then from here you can change the color. Let's say I will keep in this color, and after that if you want to increase the size of the icon, you also can see here it shows it's just increasing. And if you want to change the capacity, but in this case we will keep it as 100. So if you want to change the color of the labels also you can change, but now in this case you will keep as a white color because of better visibility. It's ready. This is one type of data that we can create. If you want to move on this or edit the name or move this position, again go to the point and means that data which you have collected, then go to the properties. After that it will allow you to move it. So now I will keep in the middle of the reservoir. So The next point which we can create is a polygon. Now let's add a polygon. We will just check the area of this reservoir. It may take a little bit time, and if you need more accuracy you can just zoom in with the help of these options which already we have explained. So from here also you can fix some of the points. Now I can fix it like this. Then let's move it a little bit this side. So it looks like not that perfect. So uh, from here you can change the color. Let's keep it as that orange color. Then the capacity I will keep as, let's see, 40. So 40 is good. And if you want to increase the outline also you can do, and you can change the color. Let's keep it in black color. So it's pretty good. And if you want to measure the area, so how much is the area of this reservoir, here we have an option which is called the measurement. So you can select the unit which you are good at. For example, if you are good at acre, 324 acres, and you can give it a name. For example, I can say London Pool. So the next part, let's just measure the length of this road from the river to this cross section. So from the road to the cross section, we have to come to the path. Now let's say I will name it as between roads. Then we'll start the drawing from here. Now you can move from here or here. Let's continue the next option. Up to this area. So we will keep the color, and which color looks better? Let's keep in yellow. Then we will increase the thickness, and we will measure it in, let's say, meter. How many meter? Almost over 1 kilometer. So now we have three features. One feature is this one, another feature is the polygon, and the next feature is the line. So to save them, we just come to this point. If you want to save one by one, right click, then we come to the save as place. And in case you have, let's say, 200 features together, it's so difficult to save them one by one. Then select from the first option which you want to combine, then press shift from the keyboard, then uh, right click with your mouse, let's say up to the root, all of them will be selected. Then we have the combine option. Once you press the combine option, then you come to the save as the place as KMZ or KML file in your optional location or direction, that we will not continue here. So there is one another way also that we can work with our shapefile or CSV. So CSV is very similar as a shapefile, but in CSV you have to have the coordinate system. So the coordinate system can be taken online, or you can go to the field and do your survey to take the lat and long of each point. So let's go to the file, then we will go to the import. After that, you just select the area which you have selected or you stored your shape file. Here we have to come and see the Esri shape file. Here we have one. So let's do yes. Then here we have based on village name I want to apply. Then let's see the color and all this thing. We will not touch any other settings. So it says that you have to save it. Yeah, we will save in KST format. Now from London, it will take us to the automatically to one part of India because it can detect the lat and long of my area, because the digitization and coordinate system is fixed with that. Now this is the area. So it looks like one polygon, however there is more than 100 polygons. To make each of them visible, just go to the properties, right click, then properties. Here we have, you can rename it, I will not do. So we have style color. After style color we have share style. Once you click on share style, you can see that each polygon appeared in a different color. If you wish to change the color, you can do. For example, if I select this dark blue color, let's see how it looks like. Not that good. Then we will come with that orange one. So this is pretty good. And after that, if you want to just verify or confirm your data that is it we are in the right place or not. For example, here we have Shiroli. The polygon attached to the actual area or not, then you can just decrease the capacity. Let's keep it as 30. Then we will press OK. Now here you can just visualize. Yeah, here is the area, and if you want to digitize from here, then you can see this is the actual photography of our area. Now let's collapse it. If you need to extract any specific area, then you have to first of all remove from here all of them, but you can select only one. So that one will be just appeared here as one polygon. You can see. So then right click, come to the properties. After properties, you give it a name. You come to the save as. Uh, Save to my place, then you can save it in KML or KMZ. Here we have two options. So these are the formats or the options that ArcGIS and QGIS will accept. For the last time, there is one another interesting option. Again, we will go to London, UK. There is one walking area which is little bit advanced and difficult. We will see how that works. So let's say we want to see this building. All right. Now here is one setting. If I uncheck this box, the buildings will not be appeared as a 3D model. So it looks like very similar and flat area. So to have a better view of the 3D, or let's say if there is some feature like buildings, mountains, and the trees which are having a higher elevation from the ground floor, you can see the difference here. So you can do the measurement whatever you like, and the historical activity also you can do. At the beginning of the video we mentioned for that historical, for example, let's say this building was here from how many years ago. We can come to this area, show historical image. Now we will see one image we have in 1985. So there is not, at least this building was there from 1999. Then we have 2002, then 2015. You can do this analysis with the lake and with so many other locations. So, and the picture which is in 2024 is pretty good, and we have a very high quality and higher resolution as compared to many others. Here we have another option, this one. Just let's take it here. It will allow us to walk in this area or not. So it took me inside the computer lab. Something is there. Now to move out from this, we can come to the exit. Let me show you something else. Here we have an option called the routes. Now you can see, however, the roads little bit, but sometimes roads and rivers, it is difficult to identify them. Then if you click on the roads, it will show little bit the highlight the roads only in yellow color or white color. But it takes a little bit time. Yeah, you can see that now all the roads are highlighted in two colors. The yellow color are the highways, and the white color is the smaller or secondary roads. So again we will walk with this one, and the blue color which you can see is the highlighting or the roads or places that you can walk with the help of this icon. Let's continue from here. Now we are in one road of London. So here is the bus stop. You just walk. You can move it. You can come back. 360-degree angle we have, and we can move. So if there is any other way, then one another direction will be added automatically. That is all. Thank you for watching.